Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will be showing how to prepare hair to get a tapered look at the end of your braids so your braids don't unravel instead of that blunt ends. So the hair that I use is Xpression African Collection. It's 82 inches long. You will need a paddle brush, or you can also use a Denman brush or a wide tooth comb, whichever you prefer. You will also need scissors and the hair, of course. So you're gonna go ahead and unpackage the hair. The Xpression hair comes pretty long, and it's braided. So you're gonna unbraid it. Now it's usually secured with a rubber band down the middle. What I do to get waist length braids is I just go ahead and cut it down the middle where the rubber bands are. If you want your braids shorter, you can definitely cut it into 3, or you can cut it into 4. So once you cut your hair down the middle, you're gonna go ahead and section it back into 2. And you wanna prep the hair or stretch the hair one section at a time. So you're gonna go ahead and grip the hair. You don't wanna grip it too tight, but not too loose either. You're gonna hold sections of the hair with your index and thumb, and with your other hand, you're gonna go ahead and grab some strands of the hair and just pull it. You don't have to pull the hair too long, but that does depend on how long you want your braids and also how thin you want the braids at the end. And like I said, when cutting it in half, you will typically get waist length braids, so you don't have to taper it that long. So just continue to stretch the hair, grabbing sections or pieces or a couple strands of hair, making sure that you're securing the first sections of the hair with your thumb and index finger, but like I said, not too tight. You just want some room to be able to pull the hair. So you're gonna go ahead and stretch the hair all the way through. Once you're done, it's gonna look like this, pretty messy and tangled. You're gonna go ahead and wrap the hair around your finger. Now here you want to make sure you are getting a good grip. You're gonna hold it tight because you're gonna be combing or brushing through pretty hard. So take either your brush or your comb and start from the bottom and brush or comb through. So start from the bottom because it just makes it a lot easier, and then work your way up. And just make sure you're untangling everything. So what I do is I basically comb about halfway up the hair, and then I wrap the hair around my finger again in the middle. And I go ahead and comb the other half of the hair, starting again from the bottom, working my way up. You just want to make sure that you comb through everything. And once it's combed through, this is how it will look. And this will help you get a nice tapered end. Now this is the hair that I tapered. This is how the braid will look. As you see, this is the regular size braid, and then as it gets to the bottom, it will start to get smaller and smaller. And as you can see, when I let go, that end does not unravel. That braid does not unravel, and that's what you want. Now this is a braid that where the hair has not been stretched. So you'll see in the end, you'll see it's just a blunt finish. And once I let go of that hair, it unravels right away. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you would like to see.